Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce template 1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Honda CRV 2017 to 2019 years. Okay, let me show unboxing review. Let me open the box. It's an Android 9 Pie system. RAM 4GB. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay, let me take out the review. Okay, you can check special harness and the canvas box and the install parts. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. You can check this canvas box, special for Honda CRV. Okay, this connector, you can check this for back connect to back of head unit. Okay, let me show this power. Okay, and this connector for backup camera. Camera input. Okay, and this camera, this connector. Okay, and this radio antenna. Okay, this harness, and there are AUX inputs left and right. Okay. This install part left and right. This left, this right. Install part. Okay. And this screws. This original USB. This camera input, connect aftermarket camera input. This connect back of head unit. This is AUX cable. This AUX input left and right. This video input are set up. Okay. This is external microphone. This audio cable. This connect back of head unit, and this subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. It's the AUX out, left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show the head unit. You can check the side. Okay, front. Okay, let me connect power cable with 12 voltage. Sorry, let me show the back. You can check this GPS antenna. Connect this connector, GPS, and there are two USB cable, two USB cable and the external microphone. This USB cable, long cable, and this radio port, this Wi-Fi antenna, this connector, and this power, this fuse. Okay, let me show back. Let me power on head unit. Connect 12 voltage. Okay, you can check navigation system, Pi navigation system start. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using head unit. You can adjust the brightness. Okay, this time update by GPS and Wi-Fi. This radio. Volume. All apps are here. Long press, you can change the wallpaper. Leave wallpaper. Okay. This is audio, music, back button, home button. Okay, it's built-in DSP amplifier. You can check very fast response. It's built-in Bluetooth DSP. Google Maps, music, navigation. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. This is easy connection for Mirrorlink. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It supports Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can connect Android Auto and Apple CarPlay Z-Link. Okay, home. Okay, let me show the settings about machine. You can check MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB. This model is PX5 hardware, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, back. Let me show the storage. Total 64GB. You can check ROM 64GB. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi. Car settings, personal settings. You can change this button color with red, green, blue, any orange, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay. Personal settings, it's autoplay music, power and AC delay, LED illumination, vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode. And drum settings, you can watch video, turn on or turn off. It's volume reserve. Rear backup camera, ruler, tracking display, X mirroring. This is stereo control settings. It supports factory stereo controls decoded by CAN bus box. There built-in microphone and this reset hole. Built-in microphone, you can use the built-in microphone. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.